So you've deleted your ABS system and you're still seeing that dreaded flash. Although it's not clicking because you removed the relay, you're still seeing that light. You can do one of two things with this. You can either put a piece of tape on it, cover it up, or you can cut a couple of wires and it will stop that light from flashing. So you've hooked up your box and you get that flashing light. What you need to do is, I'm going to take this box back off just for the sake of the video. You can do this with the box on there, but I'm going to do it. I'll get rid of this box right now. Okay, so what you do is you open up this tape right here. I'm going to show that in just a moment. And there's a couple of wires inside here that we can cut. All right. So I like to cut them, these wires right up in the middle of this section. Otherwise, if you cut them, too close to the connector here, if somebody or you decide that you ever want to reconnect them, you're not going to be able to do it because you didn't leave yourself enough room. So cut them with enough room. There's plenty of wire here. And what you're looking for is the brown and red wire. Just looking for it in here. There's a lot of wires in here. There we go. I think that's one of them right there. I'm seeing the brown red wire. See the yellow. So the other one is the brown yellow wire. There's a brown red and a brown yellow. All right, there it is. There's one of them. Right there. Brown yellow. Again, if you do wind up cutting the wrong one for some reason, you did leave yourself enough room that you can stitch them back together. I'm going to cut that one. And here is the brown red wire buried in there. Just going to double check it. Brown and red. Yes, indeed. It is brown red. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to check just to make sure my light is off up there. There we go. Look at that. The light is now off. How about that, guys? So cut those wires if you need to. Just leave yourself enough room. You're welcome.